Lesson 5.3, this is your turn, number 4. Ariane borrows $400 on a 4-year loan. She is charged 5% simple interest per year. How much interest is she charged for 4 years? And what is the total amount she has to pay back? So again, using this formula, to find the interest, we take the principal times the rate times the time. Let's substitute our information here that we're given. Our principal amount is 400. Our rate is 5%, and we're going to write that as a decimal, which would be 0.05. And our time is 4 years, so we're going to take it times 4. When we multiply, we've got $80 as our interest here. So our interest is that there's going to be $80 charged in interest. So that answers the first question. How much interest will she be charged for 4 years? $80. So the total amount that she has to pay back is that principal amount plus the interest. So the total amount to pay back, $400 plus $80, for a total of $480 to pay back on this loan.